Hello everyone, Kenny with Great3d.com, and here to show you another product from our accessory tab lineup. It's the accessory tab mounting gate. It's made from flexible TPU, so it cannot be broken, and I warranty these TPU pieces for life against crash. So if you ever have any trouble with one, break it, or whatever, let me know and I'll replace it for you for free. But as the accessory tab line of many of you are familiar with it, I try to give the most options available for mounting your video transmitters, your antennas, your XT60 mounts, and this is just another option for you to help mount your receiver and your video transmitter. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to show a quick configuration that I found for ZMR of a video transmitter with the TS5823 and an XR4 from FreeSky, but again, this will work with pretty much any receiver and video transmitter that's out there. You just have to pretty much mount it with a couple of zip ties and figure out what placement would work for you on your quad that you're building. So first step I found was the easiest way is to kind of figure out where you're going to put it. I already know that I'm going to mount on the middle standoffs here towards the back in this configuration here, and I'll put the video transmitter on top and the receiver on bottom. And once I figure out that, then I can go ahead and zip tie my electronics to the mount itself. So knowing that, I'm going to put the plugs for the receiver near the back, and on the video transmitter, want it to come out the side, we'll put the dips up. Now, like I said, this was just something that I came up with on the fly. I'm sure you guys can come up with much better mounting solutions than I can, and for all the many different quads out there, there might be applications for this that I can't even think of that you guys can. So it's kind of hard to do behind the camera. Zip tie here. Got a little bit of a cold, so I might sound a little funny. Sorry about that. Try not to sneeze on you. Alright, so once you get that in place where you'd like it, I accidentally covered up the port. There we go. Oops. You can tighten it down. Alright. Okay, and then next, found it easy to attach your accessory tabs. These screws will fit in here and the TPU holds them in place pretty good. So if you want to go ahead and put them both in. I use tiny hardware and the smaller accessory tabs to keep this as light as possible. The weight right now is under 6 grams. I think it was 5 3/4 grams the last time I weighed it. So it's fairly light, and it's an easy install for you to help keep everything as clean as possible on your build. So after you get those on, simply slide the accessory tabs over your standoffs. And these fit on pretty snug. Slide it on down, and that's it. So that's this configuration. Like I said, anything that you can really think of you can do with this. I'll show this with the top plate down. There's holes to get to the dip switches, and then if you just put a 90-degree out on the side, and as long as you have prop clearance, you'll be good. So that's it. Let me know what you guys think, and these are available at www.great3d.com. Thanks for watching.